Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Brother MFC printer to iPhone step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Brother MFC printer is powered on and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your iPhone. Next, download the Brother iPrint and Scan app from the App Store. Open the App Store and tap on the search icon. Type Brother iPrint and Scan in the search bar and press search. Locate the app in the search results and tap the download button. Once the app is downloaded, tap to open it. You will be presented with options to set up your printer. Select Start to begin the setup process within the app. Allow the app to access your local network when prompted. After the app searches for printers, select your Brother MFC printer from the list of available devices. If your printer does not appear, ensure that it is connected to the Wi-Fi network. Once your printer is selected, tap on Next to proceed. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the connection process. You may be asked to confirm the printer's connection status. Once confirmed, return to the main screen of the app. Now, you can print documents or photos directly from your iPhone. To print a document, tap on the print option available in the app. Select the document you wish to print from your files or cloud storage. Adjust any print settings if necessary, such as the number of copies or page layout. Finally, tap the print button to send the document to your Brother MFC printer. Your document will now begin printing wirelessly. Check the printer for a printed copy of your document. That's how you connect your Brother MFC printer to your iPhone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.